hello, okay? So, I'm going to pass this phone to someone na super dedicated sa work, super passionate. But I know lahat naman sila is super passionate. However, this person is tumagal na siya ng more than 1 year. Okay, so I pass this phone to someone, okay, that is so dedicated to her work. So that is...
I pass this phone to someone who can have a class for 12 hours straight.
I pass this phone to someone na ginagawang salamin yung camera niya sa class in.
I pass this phone sa may pinaka-effective teaching sa Wantok. Effective teacher sa Wantok. Sinong pinaka-effective teacher sa Wantok?
I pass this phone to someone na laging nagpapatay ng electric fan.
I pass this phone to someone na favorites Auntie Elsa.
So, I will pass this phone to someone na laging sumisilip sa cubicle ko at ulam niya kahapon ay dinuguan.
I pass this phone to someone na laging kumakain pero nagre-reklamo kapag tumaba.
I'm passing this phone to someone na nahihiya nung interview pero nung nakapasok na sa work sobrang ingay na.
So, I pass this phone to someone na laging habe yung mga jokes.
I pass this phone sa taong pinakamabait sa office. Na-appreciate ko talaga lahat ng ginagawa niya sa office. Nakakala ko dati siya ay sobrang stricto pero yun pala ay hindi. So sobrang bait niya, sobrang na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa niya sa office. So na hindi siya nagsasawa na i-guide kami lahat at sobrang bait niya. Yun lang, wala akong masabi, sobrang bait niya. So yun lang po.
Okay, so hello, andito ulit ako mga teachers. So, yan. I will pass this phone to someone na super strong. I know she is super strong sa office dahil mayroong problema na kanyang tinahak in the last month. Okay, I know she is so strong, she is so courageous, she is so fearless, okay? And because of that, I really admire her brave heart, okay? And still, nagtuturo pa rin siya despite of all the happenings in her life. So I'm going to pass this phone to... Okay.
Hi! I pass this phone to someone na mahilig magkape at sleeping beauty ng Wantok. I pass this phone to someone na nagtuturo na mukhang bagong gising.
I pass this phone on someone who is kulkulitog sa office. Okay, so here he goes.
I pass this phone to someone that na pinakamalaking sahod last July. Tapos, oo.
I pass this phone to someone na taga-ubos ng tissue sa office.
So, I pass the phone to someone na aming ate at aming nanay sa office na hindi nakasama.